everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, we're talking about Uzalo. Guys, we are welcoming back Mamlambo on our screen after a long break, and she will come back as isangoma esizosiza unjinji kuma problems akhe no Putin. And guys, desperate to find a way to win a war against Putin, Jinji will contact the local traditional healer Mamlambo to find out what's actually happening and to get some help from her ancestors. Much to her disappointment, Mamlambo dishes in Jinji West News. Jinji's ancestors aren't happy, and an angry ancestor in her home will cause a blockage to stand the progress of the Magwaza household. Jinji tried to dismiss Mamlambo's words, but ancestors have a way of making their presence felt. Tembi explained that Njinji is concerned at first, but she pays it no mind until she starts to witness things that lead her to believe Mamlambo's warning, and it hits her directly as Njinji's health starts failing to the point that Nomaswazi fears she will lose Unjinji. Causing chaos in the Njinji's life is none other than her late husband, who's furious and need to be appeased. Mamlambo tells Njinji that she must undergo a cleansing ceremony and offer a sacrificial animal to her late husband so that he can stop being angry and help Njinji get better, as well as help her win the war against Putin. But first, she needs to get healthy enough to do the cleansing, and that is a war in itself. So yeah, guys, Mamlambo uzobuya gengi character kanjinji, which is very boring for me, I don't want to lie, but anyway, maybe they will try to spice things up and will enjoy Uzalo again. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion, guys. Bye.